Hey everyone, today we're checking out the SAN HIMA 4PCS car trunk organizer set. Perfect for keeping your car neat and tidy. This set includes one large, one medium, and two small bags, all made from durable 600D Oxford fabric with soft and hard shells. The bags offer two carrying styles, briefcase and duffel, making it easy to transport tools and gear anywhere. Inside, you'll find removable dividers and net pockets with Velcro to keep small items organized and secure. When not in use, the bags conveniently fold flat for easy storage in your trunk or garage. Plus, the fabric is stain-resistant and simple to clean, even after heavy use. SAN HIMA also backs their products with a 1-year warranty to ensure your satisfaction and peace of mind. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.